Hi there, Julietta Skoog here. I'm the early years lead at Sproutable, and I am going to show you how to use the Early Childhood Educators tool cards from Positive Discipline. These are 52 tool cards that share positive discipline tools and principles, and they're great for preschool teachers and great for parents of young children. This tool is called eye contact. And this may seem very simple, but it is so important for children who are really sensitive at this age. You know, young children are taking in so much information from their environment. They are sensitive, they are attuned, they are picking up a lot of information. And so when we are just giving commands or yelling from across the room, it's really hard for them to switch their attention, focus on us, listen. It's also a tool that's really helpful, of course, to let them know that we care and to really feel that deep connection. You know, we know this quote from Toni Morrison, "Do your eyes light up when they walk in the room?" And when we can really be present with a child and look at them as we're conveying a really term of, endearment or a question that lets them know that we are really listening to them and we care, then kids really drop in deeper with us and they are able to be really present with us and share more. So for example, when we can really be present and look at them and have that eye contact and say, "Tell me more about what happened," they're going to be able to. Versus just yelling across from the room, like, "What's going on over there?" One thing I like to do with my kids if they're having a hard time connecting or they feel really far away is to place a hand on their shoulder and look at them and say, "Are my eyes still brown?" And you would be amazed. They look so intently and they say, "Yes." "Are my eyes still brown? Are my eyes still blue?" So just having that moment to create that connection then invites what it is that you're going to be talking about next. The other part that this tool reminds me to do is to really notice all of my nonverbal communication. So when we can pay attention to this nonverbal communication, we are looking at them eye to eye, our body is relaxed, maybe we have a smile on our face or our face seems relaxed, then that really invites the encouragement, it invites that mutual respect between you and a child. A young child really knows whether you care or you don't. They get that sense right away. And so when we can use these other bits of information to let them know how much you care, it can be really, really helpful. When we use encouraging language even, notice where your eye contact is. It can land in a really deeper way. So for example, with a child on your lap, you can say, "Tell me more about what happened." Or sitting and facing a child with eye contact, you can say, "I can see how careful you were when you were cutting out that shape." And it lands as that deeper piece of encouragement. Or kneeling and having that eye contact and saying, "Oh, I know you wanted to keep playing," can really land that validation for kids. So this is clearly a tool that is helpful for anyone that is with young children, whether you're a parent or whether you're a teacher, and frankly for grown-ups too. Thank you for watching, and definitely check out our other videos that explore the Positive Discipline Early Childhood Educator tool cards. They're so helpful for both parents and teachers. Thanks for watching. Real moments are learning moments.